My name is Sangwa Lee, and my task for the project number 4 was to manage the GitHub to-do columns and to do the assigned ARM assembly and parallel programming tasks.
Hello, my name is Michael Merritt, and my tasks were to do the parallel programming skills, ARM assembly, and editing the YouTube video.
Hi, my name is Tanu Avarnani, and my tasks for this assignment were task 3, task 4, and the individual project report.
I'm Kayla Haynes, and I was the coordinator for this project, and I worked on the parallel programming skills and the parallel programming and the ARM assembly.
Hi, my name is Dohum Kim. I was assigned to do test 3 and 4 in the report.
I have learned a lot more about parallel programming in this project, and 2 to 3 things in mind is the race condition and parallel programming patterns like strategies and concurrent execution mechanisms.
I learned how to use conditional branches in ARM, and I also learned about race conditions and also learned how to operate Zoom.
I learned about parallel computer architecture. I also learned about race conditions and dependency, and I learned how to program using OpenMP and C more in depth.
I learned about dependencies and the different types, and I also learned about barrier and master worker implementation and parallel programming.
I learned about a new concept of the parallel programming basics and the ARM assembly programming, and also specifically learned a lot about Programma.
After this project, this experience will benefit a lot for me. Since I've learned more about parallel programming, I will be able to apply this knowledge in my future careers and other future classes.
Learning about conditional branches in ARM helped me better understand conditional statements in a higher level languages. Also learning about how the Pragma OP can affect the whole program gave me a better understanding of how it works. And these 2 concepts would be very important in my future classes and jobs.
I'll apply what I learned in this project in my future assignments because I'll be using the debugging tool in my future assignments and projects in my future job as well. And I learned a lot on parallel programming, which is important to execute code efficiently.
What I learned about parallel programming will be very useful in the future because it will help me make my programs more efficient.
I think I can use this skills for future references and learn better in other concepts.
The most challenging part of this project was that I had to change some of the commands in the parallel computing instructions to actually get the results that I wanted. I was confused and stuck at the first time, but Michael helped me a lot to figure it out, and I was able to solve the problem.
The most challenging experience I had was when doing the ARM assembly, and I wasn't getting the correct value in my memory, so I had to look over my code and determine why I wasn't getting the right values in my memory, and it took me a long time to figure it out.
The most challenging experience for me was editing the code that was given because there were some errors in the PDF documents. However, I learned a lot by fixing these errors.
My favorite part of this project was using Zoom because we couldn't meet in person, but we could do a video and everything using Zoom.
Most challenging part for me was I had to do everything online, not in person.